Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove alternate Face ID on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Now it asks to enter your current passcode. And right here we can easily find Reset Face ID feature. And also down below it says that an alternate appearance has already been set up, and to enroll another appearance, Face ID needs to be reset. So you are not able to delete just alternate Face ID. You should delete both primary and alternate Face ID and then set up it again. So all you have to do is just hit at Reset Face ID, and now you are able to set up Face ID from the scratch. Now I'm gonna take my device in hand, then hit at Get Started. Now it will scan my Face ID. I can just move it around, and now it says that first Face ID scan complete. Now I'm gonna hit at Continue. Then I'm gonna scan it again. Then I'm gonna hit at Done. That's it. After that you are able to set up an alternate appearance, so actually you are able to create alternate Face ID. If you want to get access to your device to someone, maybe your wife or friend or brother, sister or parents, you can easily do that setting up alternate appearance. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.